Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the D7 tractor, but not just the D7 tractor. That's a separate listing available at miniaturetanks.com. This one's the D7 tractor with scraper. So, first of all, as with all kits from Miniature Tanks Company, we do all the cuts. So, yeah, we separated all of this. So first, take these parts here. All right, that looks good. Set that aside. And each piece, you need to cut all these sprue marks. Sprue cut parts. And then clean up the sprue marks is what I'm trying to say. There you go. So that's looking well. Now, I'm cutting this in the HO scale. I'm selling two scales that are smaller than HO scale, but HO scale should be a good representation of all scales for sale at Miniature Tanks Company. So, just take the sprues, cut them, and the sprue marks, clean them up. Sand them down if you wish. Yep, we're still undergoing the process of cutting the sprues. So carefully cut this stuff. It can be quite the process, but carefully take and cut these sprues. There you go. And then there's this piece. I'll clean up the sprue mark there. Now let's do the other side. There you go. Just cutting up these sprues. There we go. Last piece here, but it's several still to go. There's that piece. And then let's cut this piece here. And that piece. There's a lot of cutting actually in this kit. There's that piece. And here's this piece. Last but not least, there they are. So the cutting away process, I believe, is finally done. Nope, there's this piece. Alright, so now the cutting away process, I believe, is done for this kit. Now let's start to glue this thing together. So what you want to do is first, the biggest pieces to glue together are right here. You can see how this will line up. So pretty simple, just take some glue and let's get these pieces glued back together. And, alright, there you have it. Make sure it's going down in the correct spot. Alright, there's that. Now go ahead. The next piece for this could be done is the hood of the engine, the top engine. Alright, that actually went down very well. Very good. Next. And if you have already ordered a D7 tractor, a lot of these steps will be very similar to what you've already done. Just make sure that that's also going down in the correct way. We're not done yet. Let's take some glue, put it like that. Actually, this, we'll use some tweezers here. So, put that piece down like that. It's coming along nicely. What's next? Well, let's go ahead and glue on this back bumper or hitch. Take this piece and put it there. Put her there. Yeah, essentially just make sure that it's going down in the correct position. All right. So I'm gonna put that aside. I don't want to make any parts move that are dry and the glue is drying as such. So take this piece. Oh, the suggestion I have for you is use the table as a guide to help put that piece together. Right. There's that piece. And now let's glue these pieces together. Just put. There you go. Well, you see how that was done. Fairly simple. Okay. And then actually you want to put that piece like there, because later that's the way that will go. There you go. And put that piece together. All right, so I set that to dry there for a bit. So yeah, the pieces are coming together. A more intricate part to do is these two pieces. Let's bring in these tweezers. Just try and figure out how to do this. I'm going to hold this little one here. And this Loctite glue is getting towards the end. Ooh, that came out. All right, so then put that piece together. Good enough. All right, let's just take that little piece, set it aside for now. Next, let's go ahead and put some glue under there. And just put this piece like this. For some reason, generally this part fits in here well. Oh, it did right there. Okay. There you go. Good. There's that piece. Well, while we're waiting for the pieces to dry, let's go ahead and glue this pieces together. So go ahead and put some glue on these corners there. And take that piece, go like that. And that's this piece. Go like that. Okay. Let those dry. Make sure. Okay, good. Next. All right, so let's put on these tracks. So the tracks will go like this. Not like that. Like this. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to put it that it's good to test fit. So no, so the other side. That's why I said it's good to test before you glue. So as you can see, that's the way it should be going. Well, first of all, I'm going to glue this down, and then when it's glued down, then you can see it go together, and then you'll see it better. The reason why it should be in this position. All right. Now, the next step. Put a bunch of glue there and glue there. Now you can see why I did that. This piece connects to there, like that. That piece connects to there, and that piece connects to there with that little angle going in nicely like that. Good stuff. Put some glue down. And then there you go. There you go. Just make sure that that's securely down there. And now you can see this going into place. Pushing from the sides, make sure it's going securely. There you go. And I would say that was the harder part of this model, but now it's done. Now this goes here, there, but oops, before we break this, we're going to put these pieces down. So go ahead, get some glue down there. I'm going to use the tweezers here to help me a bit. Go. That's that. Put that aside. Another thing, let's go ahead. It's not tight, it's getting low, so I have to really squeeze. Put this piece here. Done. For now. This next. Put a bunch of glue. Yeah. So one area you forgot to put glue right there, and right there, but you don't need glue there. That was a mistake on my part. Now get this piece there. So basically look at this piece from the different angles, make sure it's going down centered in the correct position, etc. What's next? Get some glue there and there. There and there. And then get this piece gluing there. Alright, so there's that piece. And just make sure that that can fit that, because later that will go there. But let those dry for a bit. Next, let's get some glue on these sides. And then put these pieces like that. Make sure you check the other side. See that it's going in the correct position. Looking good. So now is the time for you to put some glue there. And put some glue there. Take and put this piece like that. It can be an intricate process to do that. Make sure that that's doing that. And next, the next fragile process of this. Actually, while that's all drying, let's go ahead and put some glue there. And this little piece can go like that. Oops. And when you knock over the model kit like that, when glue is drying the stuff, just make sure that everything is in the correct spot. Now I'm going to practice putting this piece in position. So it got in a position already without the glue. So you can do this, you should do maybe the glue before, but I'll just put this glue here because it'll dry around it. That will be fine for the purposes of this video and for this model kit that I am making here. Glued fingers is the worst situation when you're trying to keep a piece in place. Well, alright, so it's a kind of an advanced model, but this is the D7 scraper tractor from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.